what's up? 1, 2 testing. We're just making a quick Danish English. I also call it Denglish update in Svend Andreasen's have garden. It's very like Nattergale julekalender because we're doing it Danish English. And we're a little bit tired, but had some good scrambled eggs for morning breakfast. And I'm just looking at his garden. It's so beautiful, and he needs a bird scramble somewhere in the garden. And first beer in Denmark outside without a jacket on. It's very nice to be able to drink a beer outside without any like freezing like tea. I don't have myrpatter, so my nipples are doing quite fine. So that means the weather is good. Certainly better down here than up in Sæby. It's amazing how few kilometers you have to go from my home, then suddenly you are in paradise. Not a cloud in the sky. In Sæby there's just havgus all the time. Havgus and 10 degrees, that's not really nice. So cheers, have a good summer.